Okay. Anyone else see a giant sword in the sky?
I can. It's right there.
Guardians? Kang the Conqueror is attacking. We've nearly evacuated everyone, but our last rescue ships are pinned down. We can't hold out much longer.
Relax, Nova Prime. The cavalry's here. No problem we can't punch. No payment we won't accept. Rocket, you're on stick. Groot, don't touch anything. Let's go kick some Kang. Whoa!
Everything okay up there?
Honestly, it's best not to think about it.
Hey, I heard that! Keep your opinions about my plane to yourself, Quill!
Let's just get out of this pigsty and make it to the airlock.
Pigsty? I do not see any pigs.
Come on, man, seriously? Rocket, think you could take a break from crashing my ship and open this hatch for us, please?
What? It's not already open? Must be jammed or something.
Great. We'll need to use the emergency manual override I told you guys about.
Can't believe that's your emergency manual override.
Hey, I admit it's a little on the complicated side, but at least it works, right? There's our exit. Just gotta use a gravity mine to get this stuff out of the way.
Why is there a reinforced plate over the controls?
Well, you know how Groot likes pressing buttons. I kinda don't want him anywhere near that one.
An actual, sensible precaution.
God, don't sound too surprised.
If we survive this, I vote we have trial runs for future emergencies.
All right, guys, we're almost in position. Get ready!
Okay, let's jump. As soon as we're low enough.
Was he wearing a rocket pack?
You're kidding, right? He doesn't even wear a shirt. Okay, new plan. We jump now.
Drax, you must learn to look before you leap.
I did look. Then I leaped.
Yeah. Wild guess here. This Kang the Conqueror is big on time travel?
I said the Guardians of the Galaxy. Yes, I know, they're a bunch of... Oh, hello, Guardians. Thank you for your assistance. A rescue boat should be arriving to pick up the last of the civilians now. Please do everything you can to help clear the area, but keep an eye out for Kang's forces.
An eye out? How does she expect us to see if we...
Figure of speech, Drax. All right, Guardians. Looks like we got work to do. It's not looking good. There's chaos everywhere.
Those civilians aren't going anywhere unless we put those fires out. Perhaps there's something on the upper level we can use.
I don't get it. Who is this Kang guy? And what does he want anyway? Time to take care of a little business.
Stand aside. My mighty strength shall destroy this moderately damaged wall.
Team, that did it! Now we've got our very own fire-extinguishing drone! Yeah, I probably jinxed that. Sorry, guys.
The people are running to safety. Good work. Watch out! Incoming!
Whoa!
You'll pay for that, you cowards! ride a giant ball! This is amazing!
Okay, that was weird. But look, there's the gravity mic booster we need. Woo! I knew that'd work!
I shall assist with the opening of the door.
Congratulations, folks! You've just been saved by the legendary... Hey, where's everyone going? Nobody wants a Star-Lord autograph?
Hey, you guys doing okay? We're coming into land now. Oh, you're not gonna believe what happened. We ran into one of Kang's buddies and found a little future technology. Wait until you see. Whoa!
Rocket, do you have anything that can destroy this reinforced metal?
Of course! Unlike some of you guys, I'm always prepared for situations like this.
Give me a hand, will ya?
Ha! Hadn't counted on running into something like this.
Nice work. Now we just need to help them reach the boat.
Whoa! How did Groot just do that?
That's what I was trying to tell you before. That little time gizmo we found lets him grow and shrink anytime he wants. Or get older and younger, if you want to get technical about it. Doesn't seem to work on anything else, though.
I am Groot.
That's the last of them. Good job, team.
We have done well this day.
Yeah, once I showed up.
Quill, come in. We're under attack and our shields are almost gone. We need you to hold off the attacking ship while we repair them.
Guess we're doing a little overtime, huh?
Hey, is that thing attacking my ship? Not cool!
Let's move before it does any more damage.
The Milano could explode at any minute. It's too dangerous to get inside.
Rocket, is it possible to access the defense systems remotely?
Maybe. Worth a shot in any case. this one. Okay, that did it. Now we just need to get up there and fire the thing.
I think it's working. Just need to keep firing.
A few more shots should do it.
It is nearly defeated.
Nice shot, Rocket.
We are victorious.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
There is no greater satisfaction than that of triumph forged on the battlefield. Isn't it glorious, my dear Ravonna?
Such devastation. Your might is unsurpassable, my Kang.
Oh, I like that. Say it again.
Such devastation. Your might is unsurpassable, my Kang.
Just as pleasing a second time.
The new arrivals fight with spirit.
Insignificant ants. They pose no threat. But still, let us pit them against a more formidable challenge.
A Celestial here? But why?
Who knows? But he don't look like he's looking to make friends.
My Kang. Eson the Searcher, is that not overkill?
Too much? I found him at the end of time, fading and broken. So, he shouldn't destroy them too quickly.
Waving at us?
I believe so. Hello, giant misunderstood creature.
Oh, wait, it's attacking. Watch out, guys.
This day just gets better and better. Did you do something to get on this thing's bad side, Peter?
Why does everyone keep asking me that? No, not this time.
Wait, what the heck just happened?
Best guess? More of that Kang time travel technology. We need to put a stop to that laser beam. Any ideas?
Well, my gravity mine might work if I had another booster.
Too bad we don't have anything to build one with.
What about using pieces from the ship over there?
We need to break it apart first. Maybe our new pal can help us out. heck just happened?
The ship, it remade itself. How is that possible?
So much for the gravity booster. At least we've got something to attack it with now. Did it. Hey, I think I see a weak spot on his shoulder.
Leave it to me. Nothing shall stand in my way.
Okay, while we got the chance, look for a weak spot.
Yeah, what she said. Do that. The big scary robot that wants to destroy us? Yeah, I noticed that already.
Nah, I'm talking about gravity booster in his chest. Think you can use that?
You mean attach a gravity mine to something as powerful as a Celestial? There's no telling what might happen.
Good point. We should definitely use it. Yeah, you better run.
We are victorious! Again.
Thank you. You've bought us enough time for our evacuation ships to clear Kang's forces.
Hey, no problem. The bigger they are, the more they hurt you.
Hey, Quill, ask them what our reward is.
What are those?
Our our cue to leave. Come on!
Hey, don't count your seeds yet, pal. That giant sword is still out there.
It just left.
I am Groot.
An emergency broadcast from Terra?
Earth? Surely Kang isn't there already.
That's impossible. Either way, we gotta get there and warn them.
Why do we gotta help them?
'Cause we're the Guardians of the Galaxy.
You can rely on the Avengers to host a great victory rap party.
A great job they did on Loki.
The brie is fantastic.
Could you pass me some more nachos?
Sure, giant man!
Welcome, Wasp. Enjoy the spread. Although, I'd steer clear of the Asgardian Volivants. Food of the gods, my friends.
Where's Banner?
He enjoys his quiet time.
Well, I guess the Hulk not being here means you saved on the catering.
Incoming call from Nick Fury.
Another emergency. Did you get those doors to the command center fixed, Tony?
Yeah, of course. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to wrap this up.
Great pity. The hors d'oeuvres were outstanding.
You walk, I'll drive.
Come on, we'd better head to the command center.
What are the chances that door's actually fixed?
Incoming call from Nick Fury.